beef and broccoli stir fry. Now that's a recipe that has all the goodness and none of the guilt. Hi, it's Jan Diatri, and this is Clean Eating the Red Mountain Way. It's a one-pot wonder of healthy eating. This beef and broccoli stir-fry will satisfy. And here are the ingredients to make it happen. Lean beef, like a sirloin, you'll need 3½ ounces, and this is where your scale is essential. Portion control is a real key to successful weight loss. You'll also need 1.5 cups of fresh broccoli, 1 clove of garlic, fresh ginger, some green onions, fresh lemon juice, and liquid aminos, apple cider vinegar, and beef broth, plus salt and pepper to taste. I'll be serving it with 0-calorie miracle noodles. I'll cook them in some beef broth for the stir fry. So let's prep. Slice the beef into small strips. Chop enough green onion for 2 tablespoons. Mince that clove of garlic. Then pull off a piece of fresh ginger, peel, and grate enough for 1/4 teaspoon. Finally, squeeze some lemon juice. Once your ingredients are prepped, get your skillet nice and hot and add 1/4 cup of beef broth, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of liquid aminos, which taste just like soy sauce. Give it a stir and then add the garlic and ginger to flavor the liquids. After a few minutes, add the beef and then the broccoli. So the stir fry is just about done. I'll add the green onions, salt, and pepper, and it's ready to serve. Make a bed of miracle noodles, the perfect no-calorie pairing for this dish. Then fill your plate with the healthful, satisfying goodness of beef and broccoli stir fry. Another great recipe from the Clean Eating Kitchen at Red Mountain Weight Loss. For more great recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain Way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.